Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please ignore my hair. I have to wash it. So yeah, anyway, happy new year you guys. Welcome to 2018. So all prayers up for a new and better year. So I got myself this little gift pack from Target. I already opened it, but it's fine. So I got this holiday pack. It's a 6 face mask pamper pack by Bella Bath and Beauty. I have not tried this brand, but I just wanted to try a little something different instead of like the usual stuff that takes a long time. So it has 6 packs in it, so I'm just going to go ahead and open this on camera. And Kyle's already chosen which one he thinks that I need to try first. Okay. Take all of these out. So these are the 6 masks. Oh! Okay, so this one is for pore minimizing. I don't know if you can kind of read that. It is for your T-zone or full facial mud mask. I actually did not know these were like actual like mud masks that you can apply. I thought it was like the little face ones that you just lay it on your face and it does what it does. So I'm actually happy about that because that means I don't have to use the whole pack. So this is the pore minimizing mud mask. It can be used as a full face or a targeted T-zone treatment. It's enriched with rosemary, nettle, camphor extracts. The mask thoroughly cleanses pores while iris extract, vitamin A, palmate, and zinc salt soothe and embellish your skin, leaving a refreshed and smooth sensation. Okay, and this is the pomegranate one. It is supposed to be refreshing to refresh your skin. So this refreshes tired skin with fresh scented mask, making the most of the antioxidant properties of pomegranates. Skin condition will be toned and improved by helping draw impurities, remove dead skin cells, and reduce excess oil. It also helps to unblock pores, leaving the skin feeling great and refreshed. So that's that one. This one is actually the one that Kyle picked out for me. He said I need to relax. This is the relaxing one. It has lavender. It's in a lavender aromatherapy mask. So it says to help de-stress and pamper your skin with this mask rich in lavender essential oil. As the mask gently cleanses, tones, and calms tired skin, the natural scent of lavender will infuse your senses, leaving you feeling refreshed, revitalized, and relaxed. Okay, this is the Skin Brightening Papaya Peel Off Mask. So you actually peel this one off, which I do like peel off masks. So it refreshes and revitalizes your skin with the Bella Skin Brightening Papaya Peel Off Mask, enriched with natural papaya extract. The mask helps exfoliate, whilst the hops actives help even out skin tone, revealing smoother, more luminous skin and a glowing complexion. Okay, this is the purifying mask. It has tea tree and witch hazel. Both tea tree and witch hazel have been long known for their antibacterial properties. Now we infuse extracts of both plants into our soft clay mask. The cleansing action of the mask naturally draws out impurities, eliminates excess oil, leaving your skin revived and wonderfully clear. And the last one is the deep cleansing aloe vera cream mask. This is an actual cream mask. This mask is specifically formulated to target problem areas of oily, normal, or T-zone skin. It gets to work on application, helping to cleanse acne-prone skin, keeping it in check, helping to moisturize, nourish, and rejuvenate. So, based on all of this and taking Kyle's suggestion into account, I actually want to do, because it's kind of been a while since I washed my face because I've just been so busy. I think it's been like maybe a couple days. I do want to, when I haven't washed my face for a couple days, and it's, I have trouble with these areas, like with especially like dry skin and like the dead skin. So I may also actually try tonight a peel off mask, just because first it's gonna brighten in tone, and then I know it'll get like all the dead skin cells off. And I have started liking peel off masks. So I'm going to do this one today, and then maybe tomorrow I'll do this one just to get a deep clean going on. So yeah, so let me read the directions. Okay, so I have to wash my face before I can use this product, which is fine. I was going to do that with any mask anyway to start on fresh skin. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my face, and I'm going to come back and apply the mask. Okay, back with a fresh face. So make sure to avoid your eyebrows, your hairline. It just need those. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. And of course, I don't have my glasses on. So it's a little hard for me to see. Let me turn the camera just a little bit. Alright. So I'm taking the mask off. Let me put my glasses back on. Okay. So I did take the mask off. I do feel like it did dry my face or whatever. did, like, if you watch when I was putting them, I was surprised at how sticky it was. Like, it was more like gel than the actual, like, how, like a cream liquid, like how the charcoal mask is, kind of. So I was surprised. It honestly did not hurt whatsoever. Peeling off, which I did expect it to hurt, but it didn't. I don't know if it's brightened up my face. I don't know if you guys can tell a difference. But I did have fun with this. I'm glad that it didn't hurt. That was a nice little surprise. And it's like a little film, so that's cool. I guess that's why it's like a sticky gel. I'm trying to see if there like anything kind of like came off my face. You know, like my nose is like my problem area. So just like a little, feel like some whiteheads maybe. Yeah, probably. I don't know if you can tell. Like it's my thumb. It's like a couple right here. They're really tiny. They're not huge one. And this did just get wet, so now it's like going back to the gel consistency. But I think it's okay. Goes away. I think it's okay. I just like the consistency of it and putting it on my face. That much I did like. But I think it did like dry my skin out. Like you can see, like if you can look at my nose, like the little skin, whatever. I probably will like do like a quick charcoal mask to get that up, just to finish getting all those black and white heads out. But other than that, it's okay. Would I purchase it like by itself, like doing that? No. But if I'm feeling like I want something kind of like refreshing and just fun to do, then yes. But just for what it calls for, no. So I don't think I'm gonna do more than one of these a day, just because I don't want my skin to be irritated. So yeah, I will see you guys next week. Oh, if you tried that mask or any of these masks or any mask from this particular brand, please just let me know what you think of. Ooh, I have another peel off mask. I didn't know this was peel off too. I'm so excited about this. Okay, so yeah, just let me know. Oops, sorry. Let me know what you guys think about the brand, if you've tried it before, or if you tried that particular mask, did it work for you? And also comment and let me know if it seems like my skin has gotten brighter. As I'm like looking at myself, I kind of see it, but go ahead and let me know, and I will see you guys in the next video. If you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.